Hiccups. 5 things, all real. Fact 1. Chlorpromazine, an antipsychotic from the 1950s, is one of the few drugs formally approved for treating intractable hiccups. Other prescribed treatments include baclofen, gabapentin, and metoclopramide. A reflex with no known purpose has its own pharmacology. Fact 2. Anesthetic drugs can both trigger and treat hiccups. Persistent hiccups are a known minor complication of general anesthesia. The same brainstem circuit that produces them is also affected by the drugs that suppress conscious breathing. Fact 3. Pope Pius XII suffered from severe persistent hiccups in the years before his death in 1958. Multiple treatments failed. He died of cardiovascular causes, but his case is one of the most famous hiccup episodes in modern medical literature. Fact 4. Common short-term triggers include eating too quickly, swallowing air, fizzy drinks, alcohol, sudden temperature changes, and laughter. The trigger pathway often involves the phrenic or vagus nerves connecting the gut, diaphragm, and brainstem. Fact 5. Hiccup frequency is typically 4 to 60 per minute. Within an individual bout, the rate tends to be regular. The brain's hiccup pattern generator runs at a roughly fixed rhythm until the cycle terminates. Those were the facts. Follow for more.